are congested and hectic. That's why the Cat D-Series skid steer and compact track loaders were the first to offer an integrated rear view camera solution. The rear view camera solution gives you the opportunity to enhance your field of vision behind the machine, especially in areas where it's tough to see, like the rear quarters of the machine. This enhanced visibility with the heads-up display in the cab gives you the opportunity to work safer on the job site and more confidently. For more information about how you can take advantage of the integrated rear view
No. Mm-hmm.